Hello students, I think all are fine at home, all are doing good at home. So let us will start our class of 6th class. Today I am going to teach the poem for you. Okay, so I am going to teach the poem for you. All of you take the page number 57, children. Okay, in the page number 57 there is a poem. There is a poem. What is the name of the poem, children? The name of the poem is the Naughty Boy. The name of the poem is Naughty Boy. So, who is the poet here? Can you tell me? After the poem, he has given the poet's name. Yes? After the poem, at the end of the poem, he has given the name of the poet. What is the name of the poet here? John Keats. Keats. John Keats. John Keats, children. Okay, so the name of the poet is John Keats. What is the name of our poem? Okay, what is the title? What is the title of our poem? The Naughty Boy. The Naughty Boy. Now, children, everybody knows what is a boy. Boy, girl. Okay, boy is nothing but male. Female is a girl. Yes. Now, naughty. Naughty, it is one type of adjective. It is qualifying the name of qualifying the boy. He is a naughty boy. Okay, the naughty boy. What is the meaning of the naughty, children, here? What is the meaning of the naughty? Yes, I have written here. See, disobedient. Okay, disobedient. He is a naughty boy. Did you hear this word, naughty? Yes. He is a naughty boy. Mostly at home, small children, what they will do? They will do the naughtiest things. Means they behave in a disobedient manner, in a bad manner. Okay, they won't think of good and bad. Just they going on doing their own work. Yes. They will destroy the instruments, they will fall down, make to fall down all the things which were arranged by your parents, mother, father, brother, whatever it may be. And they will tease for others, yes, they will beat, they will pinch. This all comes under the naughtiest things, means disobedience, misbehaving. Okay, naughty is nothing but misbehaving. Who will misbehave? We are the younger ones, we will not behave very badly. We do not misbehave. So here, naughty boy. In our poem, one boy is there. He is very naughty. Means he is behaving disobediently. The meaning of the character meaning of naughty is disobedient. Okay. Now, children, see here. Let us start reading the poem. Once I read the poem, you just recite with me. Okay, children. There was a naughty boy, and a naughty boy was he. He ran away to Scotland, the people there to see. There he found that the ground was as hard, that a yard was as long, that a song was as merry, that a cherry was as red, the lead was as 80, that fourscore was 80, that a was as 80, that a door was as wooden as in England. So he stood in his shoes. And he wondered. He stood in his shoes and he wondered. Got, children? Again, once I will repeat here. See properly the textbook and repeat with me, recite with me this poem. Okay. There was a naughty boy, and a naughty boy was he. He ran away to Scotland, the people there to see. There he found that the ground was as hard, that a yard was as long, that a song was as merry, that a cherry was as red, that lead was as weighty, that fourscore was as 80, that a door was as wooden as in England. So he stood in his shoes and he wondered. He stood in his shoes and he wondered. Now children, everybody see here. I will explain the poem for you. What it contains, what the poet, what the John Keats is giving the message in the poem, The Naughty Boy. Okay, shall we start? Yes. Now see carefully children, I will explain. There was a naughty boy. There was a naughty boy. Okay. Once upon a time, there was a naughty boy. Yes. And before starting the lesson, I will tell you, I will clarify the doubt. Sir, where he is going and where he is before and after. Okay. Where he is going, where he went and what situation he is describing, about what place. About which place he is describing, that he is going to tell. Actually children, in the beginning I want to tell that he belongs to England. Okay, he belongs to England and he ran away to Scotland. Okay, he went away to, ran is nothing but he went away to Scotland. After going to the Scotland, he is describing about the England. Okay, he is describing the things which were in Scotland, same as in England. Do you understand? See here children, the poet is telling nothing but the boy is went to Scotland and he is explaining the things and he is telling the things which were in Scotland, same as in England. That's all. Okay, now we will start. What he is telling in the poem? Let us see children here. There was a naughty boy, means there was a one naughty boy. Naughty is nothing but disobedient to boy. Okay, who will do the boy who does the mischievous things or naughtiest things. Okay children. Now, and a naughty boy was he. There was a naughty boy and he is a naughty boy. There was one boy. Okay, how is he? He is a naughty boy. He ran away to Scotland. Where he went children? He ran away to Scotland. The people there to see. Okay. Why he went to the Scotland? He went to the Scotland to see the people of Scotland. There he found, what he found? There he found that the ground was as hard. Okay. Was as the ground which was in the Scotland is hard, same as in the England. However, the land is there in the Scotland, no children. The land in the Scotland is same as in the England. The boy is telling. Okay, that a yard was as long. That a yard. You know the churchyard, courtyard. Okay, wherever the animals are kept to yards. Okay, so this yard is as long as same as in the England, which I saw in the Scotland. The yard is same in the in the England. Okay. Now, that a song was as merry. Okay, the song. After going to the Scotland, this boy, naughtiest boy, he heard some songs. Okay, the songs are same as in the England, which he heard in the Scotland. The same songs are the songs are the same in the England too. Okay. Next, that a cherry was as red. You know the cherries, children, small cherries. Wow, what are the uses of the cherries here? Cherries are nothing but what are cherries here? Cherries are nothing but the reddest fruit. Okay, they are the red fruit used for eating. Yes or no? So he is explaining about the fruit which he saw in the Scotland, and he is telling that the same fruit I saw in the England. Okay, and the same fruit was in the England. Whichever the fruit is there in the Scotland, it is the same in the England too. Okay. Next, that lead was weighty. You know lead, L-E-A-D. L-E-A-D is nothing but metal, children. Okay, metal. M-E-T-A-L, metal. Lead is nothing but one metal. Suppose gold, silver, platinum, aluminium. You know, no? These all are metals only. So these metals are as weighty. Lead is one metal. Okay, lead. When you go to the higher section, you will get the metal named lead. L-E-A-D, lead. So lead. This lead metal is as weighty. Has some weight. No, gold has some weight. Silver also have some weight. So in the same way, lead also have some weight. No, how much the weight of the lead in the Scotland is same in the England, he is telling. Okay, got children? This is the information giving the boy. Okay, that to four score. That means whatever the scores of 4 is there, no? 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 tens are 40, 4 twenties are 80. So whatever the calculation part is there, okay, whatever the table of 4 is there, is same. Okay, is same in the Scotland as in the England. The boy is telling. Okay. Next, children, see here. That 4 score was as 80. When we are calculating the 4 table, we will get 80. No, the same calculation the boy is getting in the Scotland as it is in the England. Okay. Now, that a door was as wooden as in England. The door. Okay. What are the uses of the door, children? We are using the doors for covering. Okay, for covering the rooms. Yes or no? For covering the rooms, we are what we are using windows, doors. They are for locking. Okay, things where the expensive things are kept, and it is closed with a wooden box. Okay, so it is called the wooden door. So what the boy is telling here when he went to the Scotland, what he is telling? That a door, okay, the door which he saw, okay, in our classroom also one door is there, it is made up of iron, but the door which he saw, okay, was as wooden as in England. Here England comes here, children. England is the name of the country, you know. So England and Scotland, both of them are the different countries. So this boy, first of all, he was in England. Okay, and he ran away to the Scotland, and he is explaining about the things which he saw in the Scotland, Okay, now so how the door was? The door was as hard. Okay, that the door was as wooden. Wooden is nothing but to same. Nowadays the doors are made up of plastics, metals. Now in the olden days, how the doors are made? The doors are made up of with wooden. So the door which he saw in the Scotland is the same as in the England. The boy is telling. He stood in his shoes. He stood and he wondered. He is wondering. When he wore his shoes and stood on the shoes, and he wondered. Okay, when he was in England, no, he stood in the when he was in Scotland. When he was in Scotland, he stood on the shoes. The happiness how he is getting. The happiness how he is getting in the Scotland is the happiness same in the England, he is telling. Okay, so he stood in his shoes and he wondered. He stood in his shoes and he wondered. Okay, so how he stood on his shoes in the Scotland, and he stood in the Scotland. How he stood in the Scotland, the enjoyment how he got in the Scotland is same in the England. The poet is the boy is telling. So this is one type of what? No? This is one type of dream. The boy felt. Okay, the boy felt that when he was in England, he explaining the difference about the things which he saw in the Scotland, and he is telling that there is no change. There is no change in the things which he saw in the Scotland. Okay, comparing to in England. So this is the poem, children. So who has written this poem? John Keats. Okay, who has written this poem? John Keats has written this poem. What is the meaning of the naughty boy? What is the meaning of the naughty? The person, or not the person, the child who behave disobediently. Okay, the boys who misbehave. For them we will call the naughtiest. Mostly we will see in our houses naughty children. Okay, our younger brother, younger sister. These children are mostly behave in a naughtiest way. So how they are behaving naughtiest? They are just imagining. Okay, they are just imagining how will happen, what are the comparisons, okay, then make the comparisons in the things which they see in one place and compare the things in that place to the another place. So this is the poem, children, what I have explained in this class. So remember this poem, okay, remember this. You should have to repeat one or twice. You should have to recite one or twice at your home, children, by seeing the textbook. So everybody should see, refer the page number 57. In that page number 57, you have this poem. You should have to read the poem. Okay, turn the page, children. What is there in the poem? What is there in the next page? In the page number 58. One first bit is there. Answer the following question he has given now. Let us see the second question. Okay, or else see the first question. In the above poem, as hard as is a smile. Sorry, simile. As hard as is a simile. Means similarities is there, no? There is no similarity. Sorry, there is a similarity which he saw in the Scotland is the same in the England. The boys will. So pick out some similar from the similes from the poem. Pick out the similes from the poem. First one, as hard as given, no? So in the same way, if you refer the poem, you will get some similes. Now second one question. Second, pick out the rhyming words from the poem. One is done for you. So I will, children. So here, I will make you to write here some rhyming words. Rhyming words. Rhyming words. Okay. So rhyming words. He has given one. First one is done for you, children. Found ground. Okay. Found ground is given. Let us write what will nothing will happen. F-O-U-N-D, found. What is the rhyming to the found? Ground. Okay. So if you see the textbook poem, if you see in the poem, you will find some rhyming words. Okay. So you should have to fill. Example I will tell you. Hand, H-A-D, hand, yard, hand, yard. Next, long, long. Long song. Okay, long song. Merry, M-E-R-R-Y, merry. Cherry, children, C-H-E-R-R-Y, cherry. Yes. Now red, R-E-D, red. Red. Red, L-E-A-D, lead. Okay, red, lead. So these are the rhyming words. Rhyming words are found, ground, hand, yard, long, song, merry, cherry, red, lead. These are the rhyming words. First one is given in the textbook. First one is given in the textbook. The second, third, fourth, you just note that in your textbook. Okay, every poem has the rhyming words. In this way, you should have to write. So, children, now your duty after the completion of the lesson, what is the first step you should have to follow? You should have to write the difficult words. Okay, difficult words. So, children, difficult words. I will write on the blackboard few difficult words. So you just to note down. So, naughty, N-A-U-G-H-T-Y, naughty. Second one is people. Okay, P-E-O-P-L-E, people. Many words are there. Pronouncing same but giving different meaning. Pupil, people, like that. Okay. Next, found. F-O-U-N-D, found, children. Next, fourth one is yard, Y-A-R-D, yard. Fifth one is merry, M-E-R-R-Y, merry. Sixth one, weighty, W-E-I-G-H-T-Y, weighty. Seventh, fourscore, F-O-U-R-S-C-O-R-E. Fourscore, what I told, children? When you are calculating the number 4, okay, you are getting the 80 only. Next, wondered, W-O-N-D-E-R-E-D, wondered. Ninth one is shoes. Okay, shoes. S-H-O, which you will wear to your legs. Shoes. Okay. Next one is lead. L-E-A-D, lead. Okay children, these are the 10 difficult words. First one is naughty. First one is naughty. Second one is people. Third one is found. Fourth, yard. Merry. Weighty. W-E-I-G-H-T-Y. Weighty. Okay, this is I children. Next, fourscore. F-O-U-I-S-C-O-R-E. Fourscore. Wonder. W-O-N-D-E-R-E-D. Wonder. Shows. S-H-O-E-S. Shows. 10th one is L-E-A-D. Lead. Okay, so this is our poem. I have explained the poem in this class and have given some rhyming words and few difficult words I have written on the blackboard. So children, you should have to write the 10 difficult words. 10 difficult words. Keep the heading. Write today's date, on which day you are writing. Keep the heading, the naughty boy, lesson name, difficult words. Write 10 difficult words. Okay, so with this I am ending my class. Let us start our next topic in our next class.